Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to type on a curved line in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. And first you have to open your InDesign software. Now you want to write on a curved line. At first create a curved line. Go to a blank page, then select the pen tool. Then draw a curved line using this pen tool. Then select the move tool. You can increase the stroke. Go to the window menu and select the stroke option. You can increase this. Now you want to write on the curved line, select the type on a path text tool. Then select this. Then write anything. And write some text. Then select the text and increase the font size. Then select the move tool. Now you can see we make write on the curved path very easily. You can write on a wavy line. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.